If you are serious about making money online and you want to know where you can get high profile online jobs, then pay close attention because this video is specifically for you. You can make money online while working as a transcriber, that is just typing words out. You can work for many companies, not just one. You can work for up to 3, 4, 5, just as many as you can do. Like, in case you've not heard of transcription, as I said before, it's just transcribing audio or video content into a written document. Maybe it might be an interview, conference call, discussion, or just a simple conversation between 2 or more people. You are required to type all that out. Sometimes people want to use an audio file for maybe some kind of point or make a blog out of it or something else that requires turning it into a document or a written text. And that's exactly where you come in as a transcriber. Believe you me, I can tell you for sure that transcription is one of the most lucrative jobs you can find online at this particular moment. It's a very good choice whether you want the online job for a side hustle or you want to make it your full-time job. But now the challenge here is where and how you can get the job itself, and that's exactly where I come in. So how about we make a trade? I tell you where you can find the jobs, and in return you drop a like, and of course you can subscribe if you think this video is helpful. If you want to see more of this, then you can subscribe. Currently, Alpha Site is looking for transcribers to join their team, both for long-term transcribers and just short-term transcribers. As I said before, I will tell you how to apply for this job. Alpha Site is an information company that connects clients with experts. Their headquarters is actually in London, but they have offices in Middle East, Asia, and many other countries. A quick disclaimer, this is not an ad and I'm not paid to make this video. I know online jobs are hard to come by, so I'm making this video hoping that you will take this opportunity. Alpha Site is a legitimate company that has over 1,200 employees, and they do not have any geographical restrictions, at least not any enough. I say this because I know a lot of African transcribers that work for Alpha Site. So I guess anyone can work from anywhere in the world. But of course I can't be sure of your own countries, I can't be testing my own country and be also testing yours at the same time. So the best thing to do, or the best way to find out if the company is actually hiring from your country, is to go to their website and check things out for yourself. In most cases, if a company is not hiring from your location, you won't even get past the first stage of the application. So I believe if the company is not hiring from your location, they will give you a sign. But to the best of my knowledge, they are hiring worldwide at this moment. And if you have any other information, if you think they are not hiring worldwide, or if you checked and they are not hiring from your country, then just let me know in the comment section. Currently, Alpha Site is one of the best companies you can be working for as a transcriber. You'll be working there as a freelancer and you can work anytime you are available. And of course, this is a remote work, so you can be working from the comfort of your home. But at the same time, I will advise that you make a specific location, or you make a kind of a specific spot for work to avoid distraction. And this is actually why freelancing work attracts most people, because you get to work anytime you want and wherever you are. They offer you so much freedom, and according to their adverts, they say that there might be room for advancement, which means you can advance to higher jobs and better paying jobs from the company if you join their transcribers team. Just imagine how it will be if you're among the fastest growing company. I didn't make that up, that's actually what they say. So your job at Alpha Site will be transcribing audio and video content to text, and they call their transcribers business transcribers. Please note that Alpha Site does not allow the use of transcription AIs like Quota or Otter.ai. I know Otter.ai is very popular and most people like to use it, but in this case, Alpha Site does not allow that. You will have to transcribe everything from scratch. So if you are that type of transcriber that relies on automatic transcription softwares, I think this job might not be the best fit for you. especially if you cannot transcribe from scratch. Actually, I'm not planning on making videos teaching how to transcribe, but if actually you want me to make videos like that, just tell me in the comment section. According to sources, you'll be making $55 per audio hour. That is, they'll be paying you about 91 cents per audio minute. Now, if you manage to work just 1 audio hour per day for like 20 days in a month, then you are likely to earn up to $1,100 in that month. But let's say your goal is to make $2,000 in a month, then you might have to work for about 36 audio hours in that month to make that amount. How long it takes to finish 1 audio hour depends on your skills and experience. The more you do it, the more you improve your skills and experience, like your listening skills, your typing speed, and everything. Actually, an average transcriber takes up to 6 hours to transcribe 1 audio hour, but some other people can take less times, like those who have been typing before they started the transcription jobs can take less time because they are acquainted to the keyboard already. So it actually depends on who you are and your transcription skills. I'm actually not saying that you'll be making $2,000 every month if you start the transcription jobs. You are actually in control of how much you make. The amount of money you make depends on your availability. If this video sounds helpful, then I believe I'm doing my part of the bargain. You should go ahead and do yours. Just click the like button, and if you think you're interested in videos like this, you can go ahead and click the subscribe button too. During the registration and the application, all you have to do is to package yourself well, communicate your skills and everything properly, and I believe you will get the job. Here, the basic transcription requirements are also applied, like your high listening skills and excellent grammar skills, which is a must-have in the transcription field. The ability to use transcription softwares like Transcribe and your ability to meet deadlines, because I believe no one wants to give their job to someone that won't deliver it on time. And of course, you'll be needing a device. No, not this one. This one. One of the perks they mention in their advert is that you can be working on long-term projects and you have steady jobs. You have jobs coming your way all day. So I think this is the perfect opportunity, especially for those who want to make transcription their full-time job. So as I said, I will always be sharing opportunities like this with my subscribers. So if you're not one of us, you are missing a lot already. Our site is also looking for French, Korean, German, and Japanese transcribers. And actually the application process is the same. The only difference here is that you have to be a native or fluent in that particular language. Do your own research before applying in Alpha sites. The more information you have about a company and the job itself, the better chance you have while putting your application together. And just like any other company, Alpha site might stop hiring at any time for any particular reason. So I'm not sure if they will be hiring by the time you are watching this video. All I know is that they are currently hiring now. And I mean the time of recording this video. So if you want to be sure whether they are still hiring by the time you are watching this video, do well to check out their website.